Hi friends, again your favorite sir Prashant. I'm going to teach you one simultaneous equation word problem in this live stream, and I will teach one age stuff like 5 years hence a man's age would be 3 times his son's age. See, understand the sum. I'm solving say sum number 16. I'm solving sum number 16. And what the sum says? 5 years hence. So basically there are two people. There is one man and his son. So we'll have to first of all decide what their age is. So let man's and son's age. Son's age or man's age be x years and be y years. So what have we decided? Man's age is present. Man's present age be x years and son's present age be say y years. And 5 years hence a man's age would be 3 times his son's age. So what are they saying? In 5 years time, 5 years hence. So what will happen? Man and son. Of course, man will grow by 5 years, so he will become x by 5. And of course, 5 years hence, even son will going to grow by 5 years, so it will become y plus 5. Okay, the conditions we will going to see a little later in case 1 and case 2. Right now, we will just see the time. And a man's age would be 3 times his son's age, and 5 years ago he was 7 times as old as his son. So 5 years ago, okay, this was in 5 years in, so 5 years ago, of course this is their present age, x and y. So 5 years ago a man would be x minus 5 and a son would be y minus 5, isn't it? X minus 5 years and son would be y minus 5 years. Isn't that simple? And now what we have to do, see, I'll just put this everything in the, let's say, in one book. So I can just make it a little small. So a man was 5 years hence and son would be x plus 5 and y plus 5. And 5 years ago, a man and son would be x minus 5 and y minus 5 years. And now we'll have to take the cases into the consideration. These were basic work. What we started with, a man would be x years and son would be y years. So I'm putting that also in one corner. And now actually what I have to think is about how their relation is or how their cases are. 5 years hence would be case 1. So I'll take that case 1 as something like this. Case 1. What is this case 1 is? A 5 year hence, a man's age would be 3 times his son's age. So man's age would be 5. This is 5 year hence. This is 5 years hence. Since this is 5 year hence, I'll just focus this and I'll just focus this. So 5 years hence, a man's age would be. So man's age would be x plus 5 would be 3 times his son's age. 3 times his son's age, y plus 5. You understand it? And 5 years ago, now this was case 1, so I'll just simplify this. X plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 3 5 is 15, and I'll just go ahead a little bit. So x minus 3y is equals to 15 minus 5, which is 10. This is your equation number 1. I hope you understood how I get the equation, isn't it? This is quite simple. This is my equation number 1, which we have obtained from 5 year hence case. And there is one more part of the sum, 5 years ago. Now when I am reading the 5 years ago's case, I will pay attention to this. I will pay attention to these and this part of the sum. 5 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. So case 2 we will start. What is this case 2 is? Case 2 is 5 years ago. Since I am thinking about 5 years ago now, I have started thinking about this and this. 5 years ago, man's age was 7 times the son's age. So man age was 7 times the son's age. Y minus 5. Isn't it simple? And that gives you equation number 2. Equation number is here. Equation number 2, we're going to get it and solve the equation number x1 and 2 to get the values of x and y. And that's how we solve the ages sum. Isn't that simple? So stay tuned and just pay attention how I solve this entire equation. So it's very simple to apply the student. So x minus 5 is equals to 7y minus 7 5 is 35. Now x minus, get this 7y this side, get this minus 1 this side, so it will become minus 30. And now student, if you see, this is the equation number what we obtained, equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So solve this equation 1 and this equation 2 simultaneously. So how are we going to solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2? Let's see. Stay tuned. X minus 7y is equals to minus 30 and x minus 3y, x minus 3y is equals to 10. So how to solve these, student? Because the x and x are same, so I can directly subtract them. If I'm subtracting, I need to change the sign. So this minus 3y will become positive and this 10 will become negative, and then this x and minus x will get cancelled, will become 0. Minus 7y plus 3y will become minus 4y, which equals to minus 30, minus 2 will become minus 40. And then you can just cancel that minus and minus. So y is equals to 40 divided by 4, which is 10. So we got y is equals to 10. I hope you understand. Y is equal to 10. That means the son's present age is 10 years. But here our sum doesn't get over. We'll have to still find the value of x. And how to find the value of x? See, student, that's very simple. I'm going to plug that answer over here of y. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. X minus 3y is equals to 10. It was equation number 1. I'll just substitute in that what is the value of y. So x minus 30 is equals to 10. So x is equals to 40. That means son's age is 10 and man's age is 40. Therefore, we're going to write down over here. Therefore, man's present age is equals to 40 years and son's present age is equals to 10 years. That is how we solve this sum. I hope, student, you have understood. You're going to like this sum, and in case if you have doubts or difficulties, put in the comment box. Thank you.